Everything reverts back to,
the first thing I'll do is set that over the edge of the level, but I won't take that much. There is actually wrought iron. That's a piece of a wagon tire, that one right there, which has virtually no carbon in it.
no, I'm going to stand here. You make the fine tools, do ya?
Pardon me?
You make the fine tools.
Fine tools?
Yeah, fine. Smaller.
Whatever, a blacksmith.
Like he's making big axes.
Yeah, but a blacksmith made everything. From here to there, from this to axes to hammers.
Okay, so now we're doing.
But at the moment, his specialty is axes and edge tools, axes and chisels and so forth.
Oh, okay. You fill that with the water down there. That's all right. Stanley, how are you? I'm good. Where'd you get in? I was back here this morning. Back. Oh, back further. Okay.
And that is the item to go in. Sticking out this way now, I can finish it with a finial like that. Finish it up here, and then bend it inwards so that this finished finial just about touched here. And then
Oh, put a candle thing in.